Hello everyone, I am Naveen Kumar from Aero Section A, College of Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, and today I have selected for a concept video of thermodynamics. The topic is about gas refrigeration cycle, and uh, I will tell the refrigeration definition. Refrigeration is a procedure of moving have starting with one area then on to the next in a controlled condition. This is generally determined by the mechanical work or different means, and the gas is utilized for cooling a part of gas refrigeration cycle. Here the gas refrigeration cycle which will gives a cooling area for us when we require cooling in some applications. Those for those areas this gas refrigeration cycle will work. And here the small schematic diagram of the refrigeration cycle. Here you can see this is the heat exchanger, uh, this is the compressor, and this is the heat exchanger again, and this is the turbine. uh, Here TS diagram, temperature and entropy diagram. Here have we here in the turbine we can see uh, in the turbine and the compressor is used for the increasing of pressure and temperature. Again it will comes to this heat exchanger. Here the heat rejection or absorption will occur, and here come to the turbine, and the turbine uh, after this turbine then it will goes to the heat exchanger. Here the heat rejection or absorption will occur, and the process will be involved in this refrigeration cycles, the compressor, the condenser, and the expansion valve, and the evaporator. And we see the individual terms definitions. First of all, the working principle of compressor. The purpose of compressor is to circulate the refrigerant in the system under the pressure, and this concentrate the heat contents at the compressor. The low pressure gas is changed to a high pressure. Here, the main purpose of the compressor is to change the temperature of the refrigerant. Like it is changed to uh, compress the refrigerant to the next stage. Then coming to the condenser, the function of the condenser in a refrigeration system is to transfer the heat from a refrigerant to the another medium such that air and water, and by rejecting heat and the gaseous refrigerant condenses to a liquid inside the condenser. And here the main function or the principle of the condenser is to change phase change in this condenser. It will absorb the heat, and it will convert the vapor refrigerant into the liquid state or water state. uh, this is the main principle of this condenser. And this is the expansion valve. This is the regulator through which the refrigerant passes from the high pressure side of the system to low pressure side. The pressure drop causes the evaporating temperature to fall the below that of the evaporator. Uh, Here the main function of the uh, expansion valve is to decrease the pressure whenever the refrigerant will enter into the expansion valve. Then it will reduces the pressure of the refrigerant by expanding the piston or something equipment in that. And coming to the evaporator, and we all know about the evaporator. The basic function of evaporator in the refrigeration system is to remove the heat from the water, air, and other substances present in the refrigerator. Mm, The evaporator of the refrigerator system acts as the heat exchanger, which helps in transferring the heat from the substance and make it cool. Mm. Here the main function, it will absorb the heat from extra. external body which we have given external product, and it will convert the liquid into the vapor form by observing that heat. The evaporate vapor the refrigerant will changes the phase into the vapor form. This is the main principle of evaporator in the refrigeration cycle. And the COP of a coefficient of performance of a gas refrigeration cycle is it is given in these four stages, from 4 to 1 and to 1 to 2 and 3 to 4 and 3 to 4 and to 3 to 2. COP is equals to H1 minus H2 by H2 minus H3 to H1 minus H2, uh, CP into T1 minus T4 by CP into T1 minus T2 into T1 minus T4. Oh, one, and it will written as like T1 minus T3, T2 minus T3 by T3 minus T4 minus T1. This is the formula to calculate the refrigeration coefficient of performance of a refrigeration cycle. And coming to this applications of a refrigeration cycle, uh, there are many wide applications of the gas refrigeration cycle, and in some of the applications, the gas does not undergo any phase change during the cycle. Consequently, all the internal heat transfer process are sensible heat transfer processes. Here, the meaning of sensible is there is no phase change occurs in this sensible heat, and the gas cycle refrigeration system find applications in aircraft cabin cooling and other liquidification of various process. Here, it is used in aircraft cabin means it is used to reduce the temperature in the engines, and it is used for the liquefaction of various gases. Whenever we will allow to this refrigeration cycle gas, then liquefaction will be occurred in various gases, and these are the some of the applications. And this is the COP, and this is the main process will occur. Here the heat absorption will be takes place, and here the turbine will generate generate electricity. And here coming to this is the heat exchanger. Here we can expect there will be heat exchanger, and this is the compressor. um, from the compressor it directly goes to the heat exchanger, and from the heat exchanger it will enters into the turbine, and turbine again heat exchanger. This is the cycle which is occurred in this refrigeration cycle. Here we can see q in and q out, and here the work in work out. Here when we are giving some shaft to work or the motor to run the compressor, here the turbine shaft will be rotated after giving this work. And this is the process for compressor, condenser, expansion, and evaporator. And the purpose of compressor we know already. And the condenser is to change the liquid phases, and the expansion valve. This will reduce the pressure of the liquid, and the evaporator to evaporate the liquid to evaporate the liquid from refrigerant from the expansion evaporator. And this is the COP of a refrigeration cycle. And these are the some gas refrigeration cycles. And the gas refrigerations are used in many wide applications in your industrial or in other sectors. And finally, thank you. चल रहा जल्दी खत्म कर